In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the LastPass Authenticator for passwordless login. By the end, you'll have passwordless sign-in turned on so you can approve logins from your phone instead of typing your master password every time. This is both convenient and secure because your identity is verified using the LastPass Authenticator on your mobile device. First, open your browser and go to the LastPass Web Vault. This is the central place where you manage your account settings. If you see a prompt to unlock your vault, go ahead and do that so you can access the settings page. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options for managing your account. Click on Account Settings in that left sidebar. This area controls your security, login preferences, and other core features. We're heading here specifically because Passwordless is managed from within your account controls, not inside a particular site entry or extension menu. When this page opens, take a moment to scan the sections so you know where things live for the future. Next, find and click Passwordless Options. This section is dedicated to turning on passwordless login and managing how it works with your devices. You'll see information about using the LastPass Authenticator to verify your identity, which replaces entering your master password at sign-in with an approval on your phone. It's designed to be fast while still relying on strong, phishing-resistant verification. Now, choose Enable Passwordless and send the verification. When you do this, LastPass will send a verification request to your registered LastPass Authenticator app on your mobile device. Keep your phone nearby with notifications turned on, then approve the prompt that appears. If you're asked to confirm with biometrics or a device PIN, complete that as well. Once approved, you'll see confirmation in the vault that Passwordless is enabled. From this point on, when you go to sign in to LastPass on supported browsers and devices, you can choose the passwordless option. Instead of typing your master password, you'll receive a prompt in the Authenticator to approve the login. If a prompt doesn't arrive, make sure your phone has an internet connection, notifications are allowed for the app, and you're signed into the same LastPass account. You can always retry sending the verification from the vault. That's it. You've enabled passwordless login with the LastPass Authenticator, making your sign-ins both simpler and more secure.